located near Vance, or 12 miles northwest of Leakey, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail.